Alright, this is a manual what should be done in case of fire in typical Greek hotel. This is a smoke sensor. When it starts beeping, assuming everything is on fire, what should we do? We run to the door, where we can see someone saying, in case of fire, please read and remember. So when everything is on fire, you should just stay, try to read and to remember. Alright, we don't have time to read and remember, so let's just escape. Let's go out. Opening the door, going out. Moving out. Out, running here. Let's see. According to this, you are here, we're here, right here. So actually we are not here, since it's on the stadium or whatever it is. You see, it's kind of building. It's definitely not this. So okay, we don't know where to run, so we're going back. Let's fight the fire. This is the nearest fire extinguisher, and what do we see here? Zero pressure. So okay, this fire will definitely just kill us.